Let's pretend, kids!
Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Pretend Kids. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is our second video on how we organize and sort our Legos. It occurred to me that last time I didn't get to show you what was in this bin. So in here I have all my minifig hats, hair, here's like backpacks, rockets, satchels, shoulder pieces. Over here I got like some glasses, beards. Got the shields here. And then in here are all my legs, minifig hands. Here's some minifigs that I've started. And then here are some bigger specialty pieces like horses, treasure chests, motorcycle pieces, things like that. So I know that I mentioned that when I'm aware that something goes with Star Wars, for instance, or superheroes, I'm going to separate those out. Here are the bulk of my Star Wars minifigs that I need to sort through and put them together. And then same thing here with some of my superhero characters. There's some stickers in here, but mostly I keep the sticker pieces in these Ziploc bags. So here's Star Wars. I also have City and Town, Ninjago, Chima, Aquazone, Atlantis, Alien, so this has Space Police, Lego Agents, etc. Indiana Jones, and then I also put that I think that the set 7195 is included in this. Harry Potter, Bionicle. This is only a small section of Bionicles. Exoforce, Knights, etc. Focusing on the superhero parts, I'm going to pick a piece and I'm going to show you how I would search for this piece. Okay, so I've Googled Lego diamonds with diamonds in quotes. Any words should be in quotes. And then I went to images and I scroll down and there's the piece. I'm going to click on it and it'll show me here that it's only in one set. It's the Spider-Man Street Chase set. From there, I would click on the set number 4853. And if I go here to set inventory, it's going to show me the sticker sheet here. Now these are the other special sticker pieces that I would need to look for if I wanted to start putting this set together. Now if I found these pieces, I would know odds are really good that I have the other pieces for this set. And at that point, I would start looking here. And this is why I actually sort my Legos by color instead of by piece. Because when you look at the inventory like this, they're all by colors. and it's just easier for me that way. And of course here it shows you the minifigs that are included in this set. And I would click on those, and then I would go through my minifigs and I would look for these. And again, here's another shot of the sticker pieces actually on. And this is Bricklink. It's one of my favorite sites to go to. The other two that I go to often are brickset.com and brickowl.com. I will have links for them down below. And so, let's see, if you go, let's take this set number 4853. If I go type that in here, you see it comes up. And then I would go to the instructions here. And it takes you through step by step how to build the set. This is really great because we get a lot of sets that don't have instructions, and so this is our go-to. And there's that piece there. Once we know what the set numbers are, we start storing them in these bigger totes with drawers. So you can see we've got the bags here with the numbers and then the name of the set. Here is a sheet that I did on the set 5972 Container Heist. You can see that I write down each color that is in the set. And when I get through going through each of those colors, I will mark those out. And then on the back, I will write down in each color anything that I'm missing. And I do this by writing down the piece number. And you can see once I find a piece, I'll mark it out. And it might be hard to believe, but eventually we do find all the pieces. And then I'm going to go ahead and I will put this back in with the set pieces that I've already found, so that if I get some time, I will go back in and I will look for these pieces again until they're all found. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching a more in-depth look into what a day in the life of a Lego collector looks like. Thank you for watching Let's Pretend Kids. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!